Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Predator 212 Stage 1 kit is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for small engines, promising a significant boost in power and performance for your go-kart, minibike, or other small engine applications. This kit typically includes performance-enhancing components like a high-performance carburetor, performance air filter, and upgraded camshaft, all designed to work together to unleash the full potential of your Predator 212 engine. But before you jump in, let's explore what you should consider before purchasing and installing this kit. Number 5. YOXUFA 212 cubic centimeters Carburetor Assembly. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a smooth, efficient engine performance. It's designed for easy installation and reliable operation. It fits a variety of engines, including Predator, Coleman, Baja, Trailmaster, and more. Check the details to ensure compatibility with your specific model. This carburetor assembly is engineered to lower fuel consumption and maintain a stable idle speed. Experience improved efficiency and a smoother ride. The package includes the carburetor, air filters, adapter, fuel filter, fuel line, throttle cable, wrench, screws, nuts, gaskets, clips, a spark plug, and more. Everything you need for a complete installation. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. All necessary components are included for a hassle-free experience. Get the YOXUFA 212 cubic centimeters carburetor assembly and enjoy improved performance and fuel efficiency. Order yours now. What we like. This kit has all the parts you need for a smooth upgrade. It'll lower your fuel costs and keep your engine running steady. If you need a reliable, all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great for our mini bike. Swapped the OEM carb and filter to this kit. It was a 212 Predator. Once I made the swap, the mini bike really came to life. Better low-end torque and a bit more speed. Great value and quality. Fits great on my Coleman CT200X and works amazing. Definitely gained power and mph. It's back to being a one-pull bike again. Number 4. GREHUA 212 cubic centimeters engine kit. Give your engine a boost with this performance kit. It's designed to enhance power and efficiency. This high-performance carburetor ensures optimal fuel delivery for increased power output. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive engine. The improved air filter design allows for better airflow, leading to increased engine performance and longevity. Breathe easier and go further. This kit includes a performance exhaust pipe and muffler. Experience a noticeable improvement in sound and power. This is a Stage 2 kit, meaning it provides a significant performance upgrade. Get ready to unleash your engine's full potential. It's compatible with a wide range of engines, including Predator 212, Coleman CT200U, and Baja Warrior models. It's the perfect upgrade for your mini bike or go-kart. What we like. Get a significant performance boost with this kit. It's designed for increased power and includes everything you need for a seamless installation. If you're looking for a major power upgrade, this is your best bet. Number 3. YHB Predator 212 cubic centimeters Carb Kit. Is your engine running poorly? This jet kit is designed to improve performance, especially after air filter and exhaust upgrades. It's the perfect solution for a smoother ride. This kit includes one new emulsion tube and 2 new jets, providing everything you need for an easy upgrade. It's simple to install and makes a big difference. It fits a variety of engines, including Honda GX140, GX160, GX200, and many clone engines like Predator 212 cubic centimeters. Check to see if it's compatible with your engine model. It features a larger main bore and fewer air bleed holes for a better fuel signal. This results in improved throttle response and better performance across the RPM range. Start with the smaller jet first for optimal results. This ensures a smooth transition and helps you fine-tune your engine's performance. Does your engine run poorly or require the choke to stay running? This kit is likely the solution you've been searching for. Get back to peak performance today. What we like. This kit is perfect for fine-tuning your engine's performance. It addresses common issues like poor running or needing the choke. If your engine isn't running smoothly after other upgrades, this will likely solve the problem. What people say. Had this kit installed within 10 minutes after deliver, my engine started first pull and ran like a scalded dog. Great jet upgrade when installing exhaust and filter kit. After installing a Stage 1 kit on my Predator 212 Hemi, the 95-038 jet that came with the Stage 1 was just a little too rich. I tried the 85-036 in this kit, and while it felt good, I wanted to richen it up just a little, and the 90-037 was perfect. The combo of the 90-037 and the 140 emulsion tube make the bike run fantastic. Perfect fit. Used the larger jet plus the other part. Made my mini bike run way better with the muffler piped and upgraded air filter. Number 2. MSCRP Air Filter Kit. Upgrade your go-kart or mini bike's performance with this high-quality air filter kit. It's designed to improve airflow and engine efficiency. This kit is specifically engineered to fit popular go-kart and mini bike engines. Enjoy a perfect fit and enhanced performance. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation: an air filter, mounting studs, an aluminum adapter, a chokehold bracket, and all necessary hardware. It's constructed from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to withstand the demands of your engine. Installation is straightforward and simple, allowing you to quickly upgrade your machine and get back to enjoying the ride. Detailed instructions are included for your convenience. This kit is brand new and made to the highest standards, giving you peace of mind and superior performance. Get ready to experience a noticeable difference. What we like. This high-performance air filter kit will give your engine a much-needed breath of fresh air. It's easy to install and will dramatically improve your engine's performance. If you want a simple upgrade with big results, choose this one. What people say. Works on the Predator 212 non-Hemi. It's great and love the red color. Pretty straightforward install. Fit and worked perfect, good quality product. Bike runs and has good power. I am very impressed with the quality of this kit. Everything fit my 212 cubic centimeters power fist engine perfect. And it's not made of cheap material. I recommend this kit 100%. Number 1. Stage 1 Go Kart Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building your own go-kart. This kit provides everything you need for a fun and rewarding project. It's specifically engineered to work perfectly with Predator 212 cubic centimeters hemispherical engines, ensuring a powerful and reliable performance. This kit is perfect for those who love to build and customize. It's a great way to learn about go-kart mechanics and have fun doing it. With clear and concise instructions, you'll be able to assemble it with ease, even if you're a beginner. It's designed for a smooth building process. It's built using high-quality components, ensuring durability and longevity. You'll enjoy many hours of fun with this reliable kit. Once assembled, it's ready for action. Get ready to experience the excitement of your very own custom go-kart. What we like. This kit offers a balanced performance upgrade that's easy to install. It's perfect for those looking for a straightforward way to boost their engine's performance. If you want a simple yet effective upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything fit perfect, easy install on my 212 Predator Hemi. Performance boost was noticeable. The install went great on my Predator 212 Hemi. I can definitely tell an increase in power. I would say it's a must-have with any 212 engine. Everything fit perfect. The muffler sounds tough and extremely throaty. Make sure to use the timing key that comes with kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.